In this video, we'll discuss a powerful and profitable 5-minute scalping trading strategy. This 5-minute scalping strategy can be applied to forex trading, gold or XAUUSD, cryptocurrencies, and more. Moreover, this trading strategy can be utilized across all trading platforms, from MetaTrader 4 or MT4, MetaTrader 5 or MT5, TradingView, and other similar applications. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. This 5-minute scalping strategy is very easy to use, even if you're a beginner trader. Generally, this trading strategy can work across all time frames. Thus, you can utilize this trading strategy for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. In this example, we'll use TradingView to demonstrate this trading strategy. Open your TradingView and navigate to the Indicator Search tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Exponential Moving Average and simply select the default Exponential Moving Average from TradingView. Then, go to the settings of the Exponential Moving Average or EMA indicator. In the Input tab, change the length of the EMA to 200. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, customize the color of the EMA according to your preference. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The Exponential Moving Average or EMA indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the price candlestick is above the EMA 200, then it's a sign of a bullish trend, and your main focus is to look for the best points to place buy orders. On the other hand, if the price candlestick is below the EMA 200, then it's a sign of a bearish trend, and your main focus is to look for the best points to place sell orders. Now, let's add the second indicator that will serve as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type RSI or Relative Strength Index. Then, simply select the default RSI or Relative Strength Index from TradingView. Next, let's adjust the settings of the RSI indicator. In the Input tab, change the length of RSI to 50. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all markings and leave only the RSI and RSI middle band tabs. Then click OK to confirm the changes. The RSI or Relative Strength Index indicator will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. If the RSI signal line crosses above the middle band line, it's a signal to buy. Conversely, if the RSI signal line crosses below the middle band line, it's a signal to sell. Now, let's discuss how to place orders using this 5-minute scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. 1. If the price candlestick breaks out or stays above the EMA 200 line, it indicates a bullish trend, and our focus is to find the best entry point for buying. 2. Wait for the RSI line to cross above the level 50. 3. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish. 4. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick closes. 5. Place a stop loss at the latest swing low. 6. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. 1. If the price candlestick breaks out or stays below the EMA 200 line, it indicates a bearish trend, and our focus is to find the best entry point for selling. 2. Wait for the RSI line to cross below the level 50. 3. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish. 4. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. 5. Place a stop loss at the latest swing high. 6. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management, as no trading strategy will yield perfect results. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.